SUNHUNK lorry-mounted crane. Enjoy high-quality working experience. Welcome to the world of SUNHUNK truck-mounted cranes. You will experience high-quality, high-performance, high-efficiency truck-mounted crane products here. Let you enjoy unprecedented comfort and convenience in your work. High-quality products. SUNHUNK lorry-mounted crane. Based on high quality, strictly control quality throughout the production process from each component to the entire machine. Comprehensive application of high-strength steel, imported leveling machines, laser cutting machines, and CNC bending machines to eliminate steel plate stress ensure the accuracy and strength of structural parts. The structural parts of the whole machine are processed by CNC boring and washing equipment to ensure assembly accuracy. High performance. SUNHUNK lorry-mounted crane. High performance. The product can perform well in a variety of complex conditions. It can provide stable and reliable work support in harsh environments such as high temperature, low temperature and other harsh environments. The truck-mounted crane has the characteristics of large tonnage, large lifting force, and large working range to meet your needs in different scenarios. High efficiency. SUNHUNK lorry-mounted crane. High efficiency as the core. The most advanced coating production line in the industry. 13 processes of meticulous craftsmanship, post-assembly and debugging. The NAS8 cleanliness control standard is benchmarked against high-end products in Europe, Japan and South Korea, to ensure the quality of each truck-mounted crane. It also has a strict quality inspection system. Tackle challenges with ease at work. SUNHUNK always adhere to customer-centered, to provide you with high-quality, high-performance, high-efficiency truck-mounted crane products. High-end cranes. More people buy SUNHUNK.